Welcome to our Parsimony tutorial series. In this video, we're going to walk you through the balance sheet report under financial statements. The balance sheet is a crucial financial report that provides a snapshot of your company's financial position at a specific point in time. To get started, head over to the accounting module from your Parsimony dashboard. This is where you'll find all the tools necessary for managing your company's financial records. Inside the accounting module, click on Financial Reports. Here, you'll find the balance sheet report, along with other essential financial statements. Now, click on Balance Sheet to access the report. The balance sheet provides a detailed summary of your company's assets, liabilities, and equity as of a particular date. At the top of the report, you'll see various filters that allow you to customize the report according to your needs. You can filter by date, company, and more to focus on specific aspects of your financials. Let's set the date and select your company. Once your filters are set, click on Reload button to generate the report. The balance sheet is divided into three main sections: assets, liabilities, and equity. Each section gives you a detailed breakdown of the specific accounts that make up your company's financial position. The assets section at the top lists everything your company owns, from cash and accounts receivable to inventory and fixed assets. These are the resources your business has available to generate future revenue. Next, the liabilities section shows what your company owes to others. This includes accounts payable, loans, and other obligations that must be settled in the future. Finally, the equity section represents the owner's interest in the company. This is calculated as the difference between your total assets and total liabilities, giving you the net worth of your business. A key feature of the balance sheet is that it must always balance, meaning that the total value of your assets should equal the combined total of your liabilities and equity. This is known as the accounting equation. If you need more detailed insights, you can click on any of the amounts in the report to drill down into the underlying transactions. This allows you to trace the origin of each figure for better analysis. Once you've reviewed your balance sheet, you may want to share it with stakeholders or keep it on record. You can easily print or export the report. Just click on the Print, PDF or Export button at the top. And that's it. You've successfully generated and reviewed the balance sheet in Parsimony. This report is essential for understanding your company's financial standing and making informed decisions. Thanks for watching this tutorial.